everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Ford Mustang. This is a true Mach 1 factory Candyapple red car. This is the original color combination. And a really cool car, highly documented car. I bought the car locally here, a guy just north of us. I believe he said he's had it for 5 years. Really good car, guys. Older restoration. This car was actually restored in the 90s. And it's slick. You can tell this car hasn't been owned. This car's been loved. Paint's still very nice on the car. It's only got 71,000 original miles on it. I think most of the interior is original. And there's service records on this car that goes back to the 1970s. Great looking car, runs and drives excellent. Now, just last year, the gentleman I got it from just added a fuel injection kit to it. Matter of fact, it's called Performance Fuel Injection to the 351 Cleveland. But like I say, most things on this car were really done a while ago. Couple little things you can nitpick. You can see a couple little stone pecks on it, but I'm telling you guys, this car is very, very nice. Somebody has just loved this car. A couple little blemishes in your bumpers. Again, I've got service records that go back to the 1970s on the car. Original owner's manual, original purchase order. It's got the factory Mach 1 blacked out hood treatment. He took the striping off the sides. He didn't like that. It's just a little dust there, a little bug or something, guys. You can go ahead and open that hood, yep. Dual sport mirrors. Front windshield's been changed, but the rest of this glass is original. Car came originally out of California. Marti Report shows that, and your owner history. There's all kinds of owner history with the car. You can see one little lift mark there. And again, this car's been painted since the 90s, guys. The only reason the gentleman I bought it from sold it is just had so many projects going. I mean, he had a barn full of cars that all kind of needed work, so he sold this one. Touch up mark there. To get some other stuff done. But man, just a super nice car, runs and drives excellent. That's an original piece right there. And again, a real Mach 1, it's not a clone. Car's nice and straight down the sides. He put the wheels and tires on it. Those are 14-inch torque thrust 2s with new Hankook rubber. You can see it's got the correct chrome tips. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Floors are nice and clean. This quarter panel on this side was changed. Good looking car. Yeah, and those are American Racing torque thrust 2s. Yeah, you can open that door and the deck lid, Mike. Sorry? You can open that door and the deck lid. Power front disc brakes. Beautiful car, man. You can go ahead and open that door too, Mike. Again, 351 Cleveland. Nice little mild cam to it. Now again, he just did this stuff to it. It's got a performance fuel injection kit on it. You can see the HEI distributor, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Does have factory air car. We do have to charge it, he told me that. It's got a nice set of hooker headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Automatic car. It's got great sound. Like I say, runs and drives excellent. It's got the K&N filter top air cleaner. Nice set of aluminum valve covers. This has been a car, and you can tell that from the maintenance records, that has just always been well maintained, guys. Clean, straight, nice driver. It's got the hood mount turn signals, hood pins. Again, dual sport mirrors. This one's remote. Definitely got new door handles on it. Those looks like newer door rubbers. There's your original door tag. And again, I believe this is your original interior, guys. They've added an aftermarket AM/FM radio. Those are definitely new sill plates. But man, you can see a couple little marks in the seats. But I think this is original interior, guys. Factory, and I believe it's a rim blow. I couldn't get it to work though. Those seat, you know, you can see a little age to the seat covers. But I think this stuff is original. Factory wood grain dash, 71,290. That's your original miles. Gauges all nice and clean. Again, they put an aftermarket AM/FM radio in it. The blower motor works. All the lights and turn signals and stuff worked. 9-inch 300 rear end. Again, this quarter was changed on this side. We did a nice job, put a full quarter on it. Factory jack with spares in here. They have finished the trunk area. It's all carpeted. But then look at this. There's your Marti Report, original keys, and I mean everything. Service service receipts back to the, like say, the 70s. Owner's manuals, shop manuals. I mean, pretty doggone cool. Again, jack with spare goes with it. Everything opens and closes real nice. If you've been around these Mustangs, sometimes you get in them, you go to shut the doors, and man, they shut like heck. These doors shut nice and clean. The glass is aligned nicely. Again, it's clean underneath. I got some good pictures of the floors for you. It's got good sound. That's just a little wax from the boys. Door skins are clean. Again, they've added the speakers in the door panels, but man, I believe this interior is original to the car. I ordered the new floor mats for it. Oh, there's your plug-in for your fuel injection down there. Go ahead and have Mike fired up here. Again, door handles are new. Again, all this glass was nice and clean. And again, other than the front windshield, all the glass is original. A couple little marks. Yeah, flip your air on, Mike. That's a truck behind us making that noise. Should just be the one switch. You should just flip it up. Well, like I said, I know we got to charge it, but I know it works. I'm not real sure he's getting that right. Give it a little rev. Give it a little rev. Nice car, man. I'll have you pin that in 1 second, Eddie. Just wanted to see it close. Looks good. Hit your turn signals, Mike. You can go ahead and pin it, Eddie. That's what I'm seeing here. Again, gauges are functional. Blower motor's on. Oh, you pushed it over to heat, Mike. That's why it didn't come on. There you go. Yep, that would have been your AC. You got your right turn signal on. Left turn signal. Brakes. Reverse. Backup lights work. You can shut that door, Mike. Go ahead and give it a rev. Car sounds good. LED tail lights. I forgot about that. You know what? I never turned the radio on. Nope, yep, it works, guys. Yep. Again, see how nice those doors work and everything? It's shut up real nice. Wipers. Headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Nope. Back up first, Mike, so they can see it in reverse. You can do that by keeping track of our social media, Facebook, Instagram. Definitely keep track of our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. It's just a great car, man. Have a great day, guys.